Whether you're deep in the wild on a job site or pushing tech to its limits, the device you carry matters. This is the FOSSiBOT DT2 rugged tablet, and it's not just built tough, it's built smart, powerful, and made to perform where others give up. At the heart of the DT2 is a massive 22,000 milliamp hour battery, one of the largest in any tablet, paired with 66-watt fast charging. That means days of use on a single charge and hours of power in just minutes. Powered by the MT8781 octa-core chip with 20 gigabytes of RAM, including 8 gigabytes expandable and 256 gigabytes of storage, expandable up to 2 terabytes, this tablet handles everything from multitasking to fieldwork with ease. Visuals shine on the 10.4-inch 2K-IPS-IN-CELL display, perfect for reading, streaming, or navigating in bright light. And when it comes to durability, the DT2 doesn't mess around. IP68, IP69K, and MILSTD 810H certifications mean it's fully protected against water, dust, and drops. Capture your world with the sharp 64-megapixel rear camera and enjoy crystal-clear video calls with the 32-megapixel front cam. Quad-box speakers deliver immersive audio, while Android 13 ensures a clean and responsive experience. Stay connected with 4G LTE and Wi-Fi 6 wherever you go. And for those who live life outdoors or on the move, the 1-watt camping LED flasher, navigation tools, and built-in utility toolbox make this tablet a true all-in-one survival companion. The FOSSiBOT DT2 doesn't just keep up, it leads, combining power, toughness, and smart features for anyone who needs serious performance in extreme conditions.